Okay, next, 13. Which row describe endothermic reaction? Guys, look at the word endo. You see this En? En is like enter, right? Enter is like go in. Okay, go in, energy go in. Okay, energy go in, so it absorb energy. And when something absorb energy, it becomes high. Just imagine it becomes so high. Okay, so it definitely will end up higher because it gets high. Okay, so this get low. My God, this exo by. Okay, do you see that this becomes higher? Oh, really? Okay, yes, this is correct. This also becomes higher from the surrounding to the reaction, from the reaction to the surrounding. As what I mentioned, you absorb energy, right? So when you absorb energy, surrounding to the reaction. Cool, yeah? K14. Okay, so in order for you to do this question, very simple. The formula is BB minus BF. Okay, remember baby minus BF. Baby and your boyfriend. Okay, baby minus BF. Okay, so BB stands for bond breaking. Let me draw it out for you guys to see it. Okay, so let's look at your BB. My baby, right? What bond am I breaking? I'm breaking 4 of this CH bond, right? Which is 4 multiplied by 410. Okay, I'm breaking 2 of this OO. 2 of this OO is 2 multiplied by 496. So my BB will then be 2632. Let's go. Okay, what about my BF? My BF will be 2 of this C double bond O. Not 2 of this C double bond. It's actually 4 of this C double bond O, right? You see that 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so will be 4 multiplied by 805. And 2 of this. Oh, 2 here, right? I forgot the 2. Hey, wait a second. This no 2, right? The 2 is here, right? My God, what am I doing? Sorry, guys. Okay, so 2 of this CO2, which is 2 multiplied by 805, and your answer is 1610. And 4, 2 of this H2O, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of this OH bond, and 4 multiplied by 460, 460, 1840, last them together, 1610, 1840, 3450. Using my formula BB minus BF, 2632 minus 2485, 2450, 808. That's it. Okay, nothing difficult, yeah. Sexy. I'm in love. Okay, so next, hydrogen fuel cell. Oh my God. Okay, guys, I'm not so sure you guys know this. Okay, hydrogen fuel cell, it's basically a lot of scientists is actually spending a lot of money, okay, in figuring out this hydrogen fuel cell. Maybe next time the car might be able to powered by hydrogen fuel cell. Okay, a very famous company, but that is a scammer, is Nikola. You guys can go and Google it out. Nikola, this company is a scammer, by the way. Okay, it's a scam. Okay, so they are running their vehicle by hydrogen fuel cell, but it's not doable. But they actually, Tesla, it's not Tesla, it's Nikola. Okay, Tesla is doing very well. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Elon Musk. Okay, 15. Okay, so the balance equation H2 plus O2 equals to H2O. Not really, this is not quite right, because you see, right, your H plus E, okay, then eventually, do you see that your balance equation, oh, this is half missing, right? Wrong. Fuel cell generates electricity. Is it right? Yes, correct. It generates electricity. Okay, thank you very much. In the fuel cell, hydrogen is reduced. Yes, correct. Hydrogen is reduced. Okay, reactant are gaseous at, what? Hydrogen is reduced. Hydrogen gain oxygen, right? Sorry, my bad. Do you see that it gains oxygen? When it gains oxygen, it undergo oxidation, am I right? So this is not quite right, yeah? Reactant are gases at room temperature. Yeah, you didn't say. Answer is 2 and 4, right? Thanks.